Welcome back to Eye in the Sky Drones, where we do drone tech, content tech, video tech, all your DJI, Autel, Skydio needs, all your drone needs. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want you to take a look at a video and let me know if you're experiencing this when you take your flight with your Mavic 3. What that was the wobble effect when you're doing a master shot. When you're doing a master shot with the Mavic 3, you may get the drone going left to right, left to right. It just makes your video unusable. It makes it pretty bad. But I think I got a fix for it. Let's take a look and see what we could do to fix this. By simply changing the gimbal yaw speed and pitch speed, lowering those numbers will significantly reduce or even eliminate altogether that wobble effect in your master shot video, so you can get a clear master shot. Before I lowered those numbers, my video was awful. It really couldn't complete a full master shot. It just took so long, but once I changed them, master shots on the Mavic 3 went very smoothly. Try it on your own and let me know what you think. Hopefully that video comes good. I just want to thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, hit the like and subscribe button. I'll be doing more videos. As always, be safe and have fun flying.